So I do a test weld with the spot welder, and you can see how it tore a hole through.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner.
All right, back to the grind. I'm back on this Dodge Durango from last week, replacing this rocker B-pillar section.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
This pillar rocker section right in here. So it looks like I'll be putting it in right in here, up front below the hinge, and right back here. It's almost ready to weld. I gotta clean off my backside where I'm doing all my spot welds across the top, and I'll be ready to zap this thing on. So I do a test weld with the spot welder every time before I use it, just to make sure it's welding correctly. And I just used some welding coupons here. Then I take this thing and I peel it apart. It's easier with a vise, but this works. And you can see how it tore a hole through the backside. That means that that is a good weld right there. So now I'll write the job RO on this coupon, and we'll take a picture of it and we'll put it in the file with this car. Alright, I got this one ready for primer. I'm going to send the car to paint, and they are going to prime it up for me. And I have the fender I have to knock out real quick as well. I almost forgot about this dent right there. Get that straightened out. Alright, I'm back onto this Porsche. I finally got my glue and I got it spread out on here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this frame rail in for good this time. I have a couple sheet metal screw holes to make sure it's in the exact same spot I had it when I measured it out.